Passive income with Google Sites. Make money online. Are you interested in creating your own website but worried about the costs and technical skills required? We've got some fantastic news for you. Today, we'll provide you with an informative and step-by-step tutorial on how to make money with your website. The best part? This opportunity is available worldwide and it won't cost you a dime. So get ready to embark on this exciting journey in the digital world. Welcome to Profitability Plus, where we focus on helping you earn money online and work toward financial freedom. Before we dive into the details, do us a favor and hit that like button. It's a signal that you find our content valuable, and it also boosts our visibility on YouTube. If you haven't already, consider subscribing to our channel. Let's get started with today's lesson. Understanding Google Sites. Google Sites is a remarkable platform for website creation, designed with simplicity in mind. Here's a closer look at what makes it such a valuable tool. Templates. Google Sites offers a variety of templates tailored for different purposes. Whether you're building a personal blog, a business website, or an educational platform, you'll find a template that suits your needs. Drag and drop interface. The website building process is as straightforward as it gets. You can easily add elements like text, images, videos, and even Google Maps by simply dragging and dropping them onto your pages. Responsive design. Google Sites automatically ensures that your website looks great on all devices, from desktop computers to smartphones. You don't have to worry about coding responsive design elements. It's all handled for you. Collaboration. Collaboration is a breeze with Google Sites. You can invite others to edit your website, making it a fantastic choice for group projects or collaborative content creation. Integration. One of its standout features is its seamless integration with other Google services. You can embed Google Docs, Sheets, Forms, and more directly into your website. This is particularly helpful if you want to share documents, collect data, or create interactive forms. Hosting. Google Sites takes care of hosting, which means you don't need to find a separate hosting provider. Your website is hosted securely on Google servers. Google Workspace. If you're already using Google Workspace, formerly G Suite, you'll find that Google Sites complements your existing tools perfectly. You can effortlessly integrate your website with your Google Workspace apps. Choosing your profitable niche. Selecting a profitable niche is a pivotal step in your journey towards a successful online venture. To ensure you're on the right track, consider these specific tips. Market research. Begin by conducting thorough market research. Look for niches with a strong demand for information or products. Online tools like Google Trends and keyword research tools can provide valuable insights. Passion and knowledge. Choose a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. Your enthusiasm and understanding of the subject will not only make content creation more enjoyable, but also establish you as an authoritative figure in that niche. Profit potential. While passion is crucial, don't overlook the profit potential. Investigate if advertisers are willing to pay for ads related to your niche, as this can significantly impact your earnings through Google AdSense. Competition analysis. Analyze your potential competitors within the chosen niche. Assess their content quality, audience engagement, and monetization strategies. Identify gaps in their offerings that you can fill with your own unique approach. Long-term viability. Consider the long-term viability of your chosen niche. Is it a trend with short-lived popularity, or does it have the potential for sustained growth over time? longevity can be key to your website's ongoing success. Creating valuable content. Creating valuable and engaging content is essential for attracting and retaining visitors to your website. Here's a comprehensive guide. Keyword research. Start by conducting keyword research to identify the topics and phrases your target audience is searching for. Tools like Google Keyword Planner and Ahrefs can help you discover relevant keywords with search volume. Content planning. Outline your content strategy by organizing your ideas into a content calendar. Determine the types of content you'll create, such as blog posts, videos, infographics, or tutorials. High-quality writing. Focus on producing well-researched, informative, and well-written content. Your audience should find value in every piece of content you publish. Avoid plagiarism and always cite your sources when necessary. Engaging visuals. Incorporate eye-catching visuals, including images, graphics, and videos to enhance the visual appeal of your content. Visual elements break up text and make content more digestible. Consistency. Maintain a consistent posting schedule to keep your audience engaged. Regular updates demonstrate your commitment to delivering valuable information. User-friendly layout. Ensure that your website is easy to navigate. Use clear headings, subheadings, and bullet points to structure your content. Make sure your website is mobile responsive to accommodate users on various devices. Engagement. Encourage audience engagement by inviting comments, questions, and discussions. Respond promptly to comments to foster a sense of community. Optimize for SEO. Implement on-page SEO techniques to improve your content's visibility in search engine results. This includes optimizing titles, meta descriptions, headings, and using relevant keywords. Value-added resources. Offer downloadable resources such as ebooks, checklists, or templates to incentivize user engagement and collect email addresses for your mailing list. Monetizing your Google site. Now, let's delve deeper into the 3 primary monetization methods for your Google site. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves partnering with companies related to your niche. You promote their products or services through affiliate links on your website. When visitors make purchases or sign up for services through these links, you earn a commission. To excel in affiliate marketing, choose reputable affiliate programs that align with your niche. Disclose your affiliate relationships transparently to your audience. Create compelling content that genuinely addresses your audience's needs and incorporates affiliates' links where relevant. Sponsored content. Sponsored content involves collaborating with brands or businesses in your niche to create content that promotes their products or services. This content can take various forms, such as blog posts, videos, or reviews. Here's how to succeed with sponsored content. Select sponsors whose products or services genuinely benefit your audience. Clearly label sponsored content to maintain transparency with your audience. Ensure the sponsored content provides real value and aligns with your website's focus. Display ads. Display ads are visual advertisements that appear on your website, primarily facilitated through Google AdSense. You earn money when visitors view or interact with these ads. Here's how to optimize your display ads. Sign up for a Google AdSense account and configure ad settings. Carefully position ads on your sites to maximize visibility without overwhelming your content. Monitor ad performance and make adjustments to enhance click-through rates or CTR and earnings. Implementing these monetization strategies strategically can help you generate a steady income from your Google site. That's a wrap, folks. We hope you found this video valuable. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button. We'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you for being part of the Profitability Plus community. Until next time, take care and stay profitable.